From the Flow landing page, select the Manage and Plan option. This will take you to menu options, where WBS hierarchy should be selected. You can now expand or collapse the WBS hierarchy using the right pointing arrows next to each heading. To add a new heading, select the highest level folder of the WBS. Then on the right-hand panel, expand the right pointing arrows. Click on Add Subheading. Then enter a name for the new item in the box provided and then click Save. The new heading will appear in the WBS on the left-hand side of the screen. In the same way, you can add subheadings by selecting the required heading. Similarly, to add a task to your preferred heading, click on the Add Task button. Enter a name in the pop-up box. Duration. And specify its type of activity, finish, or start milestone, by clicking on the drop-down list before clicking on Save. Alternatively, to quickly add a new subheading, activity, finish or start milestone, click on Edit Mode. A quick access bar will appear where you can input name and duration in days. Then you can enter H for a new heading, F for a new finish milestone, S for a new start milestone, and A for a new activity.